the heart of the jungle, Ella, the baby elephant, Benny the bear cub, and Rosie the rabbit were exploring as they always did. They followed their favorite trail to a sparkling stream, but something was wrong. The stream, once bubbling with life, was now just a trickle of water. "What happened?" Benny asked, his shiny eyes wide with concern. Rosie twitched her nose and hopped closer. "The water's almost gone. The fish and plants will suffer if we don't do something." Ella nodded, her floppy ears swaying. "Let's follow the stream and see what's blocking it." The trio walked along the dry stream bed, past wilting flowers and silent frogs. Soon, they discovered the problem. A pile of fallen branches, rocks, and leaves had created a dam, stopping the flow of water. "That's a big mess," Rosie said, her small paws resting on her hips. Benny scratched his head. "How do we clear it?" "It's too much for one of us." Ella smiled. "If we work together, we can do it." They set to work. Ella used her strong trunk to lift the largest branches and rocks. She placed them carefully to the side, making sure not to disturb the nearby plants. Benny, with his sturdy paws, rolled medium-sized rocks away and carried heavy clumps of leaves. Rosie, quick and nimble, darted around, pulling out twigs and small debris stuck in the dam. At first, progress was slow. "This is harder than I thought," Benny said, wiping his brow. "Don't give up," Rosie encouraged. "We're already making a difference." The friends began to find a rhythm. Ella's strength cleared the bulk of the blockage. Benny's determination kept things moving, and Rosie's cleverness ensured even the smallest gaps were opened. As Ella lifted the last large branch, water began to flow. At first, it was just a small stream, but soon it grew into a lively rush of water. The trio stepped back and cheered. "We did it!" Benny exclaimed, watching the water sparkle in the sunlight. "The plants and animals will be so happy," Rosie said, smiling. Ella looked at her friends with pride. "We couldn't have done it without each other." As they stood by the restored stream, the jungle came alive again. Frogs croaked, birds sang, and fish swam happily through the clear water. The trio celebrated by splashing in the cool stream, laughing and playing until the sun began to set. Before heading home, they built a small marker near the stream's edge, a pile of smooth stones arranged in a pyramid. Rosie carved a simple message on the largest stone using her sharp claws. "Together, we make things better." From that day on, the stream was a symbol of their teamwork and the magic of friendship. Whenever animals passed by the pyramid of stones, they were reminded of the little trio who brought life back to the jungle.
In the jungle, wild and free, a stream once flowed for all to see. But branches blocked the liquid way, turning bright waters dull and gray. Benny and Rosie bold saw the stream, their hearts took hold. Friends united, minds combined, nature's spirit intertwined.